Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Margherita Flatbread. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup warm water, 2 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar 5 cups all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon salt. Begin by activating the yeast in warm water with sugar. Once foamy, combine it with flour, salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead the dough until smooth, then let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour. Now let's get ready to assemble. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius with a pizza stone or baking sheet inside. Gently punch down your risen dough and divide it into 2 equal portions. On a lightly floured surface, roll or stretch each piece of dough into your desired flatbread shape, about 1/4 inch thick. Carefully transfer your shaped dough onto parchment paper or a lightly oiled baking sheet. Time for the delicious toppings. Spread about 1/4 cup of crushed San Marzano tomatoes or your preferred pizza sauce evenly over each flatbread, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, distribute 4 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese, torn or sliced, over the sauce. Finish with a drizzle of 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a light seasoning of salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple combination creates classic flavor. Finally, it's time to bake. Carefully slide your flatbread onto the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Once out of the oven, immediately scatter fresh basil leaves over the hot flatbread. Let it cool for just a minute, then slice and serve your delicious homemade Margherita Flatbread warm. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.